Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in the channel today. So as you can see, it is a farm cleanup day. It is pouring rain, freezing rain. It is terrible weather for this time of year. I don't like the cold, but this rain on top of that snow creates ice. But this time we are in a weird area in the scrapyard. We've never been in this section. Not quite sure why we're not sure, but yeah, we're definitely in a fancy new corner that we've never been in. But yeah, it's pretty intense. Very intense. So I believe this is where just the workers are. Yeah. Anyways, it's our first time in this section. It is what it is. But yeah, it's, I don't know if you can see, but we're surrounded by basically lakes. Like, there's just so much water. There's nowhere for this water to go because normally it is just snowing at this time of year and everything is frozen until springtime. Not sure if it's going to be a mild winter. I hope so, because with this kind of weather, it's not going to be good, because when you have that much water in the ground and it gets really, really cold and the frost goes really deep. Everything is good?
Yep.
All right. So is it like new machinery back there?
Yeah, there's all kinds of it's another whole world.
Another whole world. I know. We're just like, well, where you want us to go? Where? All right. Well, it's
this guy, he's got the magnet going.
He's got the magnet.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah.
Who knew it'd be an exciting time at the scrapyard today?
Go around.
Do you go that way?
I'll go around this way. I think I can make that short time smoke free.
All right. I'm just the passenger.
Yeah.
I'm just here for emotional support.
Yeah.
All right, so Derrick is going in and we're gonna finish up here. We might have a little bit of running around to do in town, not quite sure, but anyways, we will see you back at the farm. Not quite sure what we got planned. I know he was thinking about taking out the forder, moving some logs around so that we have things ready for the sawmill. And then he was talking about this little surprise, fun surprise. Anyways, we'll see when we get back to the farm if that's gonna come out or not. All right, we'll see you there. Good morning, babies. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Are you guys playing nice? Are you playing nice? Are you? What are you doing? I'm up here. Yeah? You like being on your pillow, don't you? You guys are sweet. Yes, you... Yeah. All right, well, it is still raining. Miserable, miserable weather. So this is the time of year I'd rather have snow, because all this does is ice. Ice everywhere. It's dangerous for us, it's dangerous for the horses. It's just, there's an accident about a half hour north of us. Someone died. It's upsetting. But yeah, we're staying home. That's why we're not going to the off-grid property. We're staying home. We're not gonna go venture on these roads just for the heck of it. There's always tomorrow to go to the property. So instead, we're gonna do something just as important, right? Derrick, well, I'm sure you remember on previous videos, we cut down that huge tree and we brought it home so that we can bring it to the sawmill and cut it up, make some lumber out of it. So Derrick just took the forwarder and that's what he's doing. of course, dune buggy, a project that will someday happen. All right, well, so this is our setup, and it's definitely going to be a future video. The sawmill is right there. I'll go on the other side and give a better view. But yeah, so Derrick just went and got those trees that we cut down at the off-grid property, and we're gonna make lumber. It's not going to be the best view, but in the next couple of days here, we're gonna get this set up and going. We got one log ready to go. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a future video. That's what we're doing. So we definitely want to share this with everyone because it doesn't have to be all brand new equipment. We make it work with our old stuff. And I do say old. It is miserable out here, absolutely miserable. Probably should have had a toque, not because it's too cold, but just because I can feel the ice pellets. Yeah, but as you can see, this was some nice saw logs that we got. I'm very happy, very pumped. So we can finally start the build, that cabin, the addition that we're going to do off the camper, so that we can start thinking of moving completely out there. Yeah. I keep having to wipe my lens. Just soaked. Can't keep up today. Just can't keep up. Oh well. I see he's saving those two big pieces for last. That was from that great big tree. Super pumped. It's gonna make great lumber. So excited. had nothing but snowstorms after snowstorms, and now we're basically in a lake. Oh well, can't change the weather. It's just got to change our plans on what we're gonna do with the weather. But yeah, so that's awesome. So we got the lumber next to the sawmill, so that's gonna be our video in the next couple of days. Fingers crossed. All depending with weather, because if we have good weather, we're gonna go to the property. Yeah, we're gonna get it done. One step closer every single time. To think that we were going to sell that. We were considering it. We had it up for sale. We had a couple people that were kind of sort of interested, but you know, no one wants to pay the money. We're not going to give it away. So yeah, so we decided we're going to keep it, and now I'm glad that we did, because it's doing all the other stuff that the smaller machinery can't do. So yeah, so now he's going to go park that. I don't want to fall on the ice. And then I'm going to show you guys what we got. Stay tuned. Look at you two. It's not dinner time yet. No, not yet. You guys stay in your shelter. And I'll be out in a bit for dinner time, okay? Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to the garage where it's dry, because I am soaked. So we got to get this guy moved, or at least you were saying you need to lift up the blade. Were you able to lift up the blade, Derrick?
What?
Were you able to lift up the blade?
I have not started it yet, no.
Oh.
You can see where it's going to get stuck.
Oh, it's gonna get super stuck. Yeah, because that's all going to freeze, and it's gonna, that blade's gonna be all frozen in there. So he's got to lift that blade up. It normally does not rain like this at the end of January. No, normally it's -20. All right, do you want to go in the garage and do that? Because I'm soaked.
How do I cut the trees in the garage?
Guess you can't cut trees in the garage. All right. Oh, maybe in the shelter. Maybe.
You can stand in there. Stop showing how it cuts.
Yeah. Well, they don't know what it is yet.
It's a chainsaw.
It's a chainsaw. Who does not need another chainsaw?
Yeah.
What kind is it?
It's a McCulloch Pro Max 700.
Pro Max 700.
Louder than the forwarder. The forwarder and the skidder are quiet compared to this.
Oh gosh, I can't wait.
Yeah.
So how did you acquire?
My neighbor showed up. He found it at the dump.
He found it at the dump.
Yeah, he showed up and he said he knows I like old saws, so he gave it to me.
Nice.
And I cleaned the carb out and had some parts that cleaned it right up there. And I had another saw in the backyard that had a gas cap for it because it didn't have a gas cap.
Okay.
And I put some gas in it and it fired,
And
right
it
up.
fired right up.
And then I sharpened the chain and I went and cut a log with it and it cut awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, so we'll show you.
All right, I will follow you. I'm going to go under the shelter because I'm just drenched.
But it's loud.
It's loud? Oh, all right. Yeah, it's loud. 100% loud for sure, but it's awesome. I know we have a couple chainsaw guys that watch our YouTube videos, and we watch theirs as well, and I think they're going to appreciate that saw. I'm walking slow. It's ice everywhere. See, this is where I want to be. There we go. So much better. Whew. Mess. All right. It's loud.
It is, it runs awesome.
You should have probably had your safety earmuffs on.
My safety earmuffs.
Your safety
What?
earmuffs. What? Exactly. Well, that's definitely a nice new toy.
Yeah, I wouldn't go and cut the forest down with it.
You wouldn't go cut the forest down with it, no.
It's losing some of the luxuries that a lot of the new saws
The new saws have, yeah. But it runs, it works.
Yeah. I'll probably just bring it to the property and leave it in the skidder.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, who's that YouTuber that we watch that loves chainsaws?
Fucking Billy Ray.
Buckin' Billy Ray.
Yeah, he has those. Yeah.
That's right. He's always
Yeah.
talking about those.
Yeah, yeah, he's got a whole pile of those. Yeah.
That's right. Well, who knows? If he ever lands on our channel, he'll probably
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
You never know.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, he's a Canadian too.
Oh, he is Canadian. That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
That's right. I think he's
Yeah.
in BC, right?
Yeah.
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 Oh, well.
Yeah.
Just maybe.
Yeah.
Fun. All right.
We got everything done that we wanted to get done.
Yes, we did. Well, I'm completely drenched.
Yeah.
I'm going to go inside.
Yeah, I gotta,
You're going to load the wood stove?
yeah, I'm gonna load the wood stove.
You load the wood stove, put the saw away, put everything else away. I'm going to go inside, get supper started. And obviously the horses are wanting their dinner because that's just the way it goes. But I'm definitely going to go dry up a bit. And then, yeah, as always, everyone, thank you all for watching. Something different. Something different. One step closer. So yeah, we're going to be posting a video of the sawmill. Derrick and I will get some lumber going with those trees. Exciting. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.